See, you may have seen viral messages or video claiming that from today, that is December 16, Meta has started reading your private DMs. And before you panic, let's take a look at what Meta has actually said. First thing first, Meta is not reading your private Instagram DMs, Facebook messages, or WhatsApp chats. The confusion is happening because there is a real policy update, but it's being misunderstood by a lot of people. Here is what really happening. See, Meta has announced that it will start using interaction with Meta's AI to personalize the content and ads you see. That means the conversation you have with Meta's AI either by text or voice, not the messages you send to other people. Okay, let's be clear. Messaging your friend is not same as chatting with Meta's AI. Instagram DMs are not AI interactions. WhatsApp personal chats are still private and end-to-end encrypted. In simple terms, AI chat gives Meta information, personal messages do not. And we all know Meta already personalizes your feed based on what you like, watch, engage with. And honestly, we all know how random our feed can feel most of the time. And since AI interactions are now an additional, much stronger indicator of what user actually interested in, they show more than just what people happen to scroll past. And here's where it gets interesting for a marketer. See, Meta's ad system powered by Andromeda. And if you don't know what Andromeda is, there is a video you can check out this later. See, Andromeda works best when it understands user intent and not just surface level interest. And when someone actively asks Meta's AI about fitness, travel, career, or product, that shows clear high intent behavior. So for marketers, this means better audience matching, more relevant ads, less wasted ad spend, higher quality lead. It's a shift from interest-based targeting to intent-driven targeting. And now talking about the privacy, Meta has clearly stated that the sensitive topics like health, religion, politics, sexuality are not used for ad targeting. User can still manage what they see through ad preferences and speed controls. And the microphone is only active when you choose to use voice feature. So no, Meta is not suddenly reading your DMs, but yes, Meta is getting smarter at understanding user through AI interaction, not the private conversation. This isn't surveillance, it's a smarter personalization and major evaluation and how digital advertising actually works. And if this helped clear up things, please share it because facts should travel faster than misinformation. Till then, bye bye, thank you.